Hey, Steve Gardner, eXp Realty, Greater Daytona Beach area, East Central Florida. Are you thinking about selling your home soon but are concerned about the changing market like everybody is right now? No matter what's going on with the economy, you can still sell your home at a great price. With the right amount of preparation and guidance, selling your home is in a volatile market is possible. Trust me. Get my free guide, How to Sell Your Home in Any Market, to learn more about how to sell your home and still get a good price in a changing market. Listen, direct message me for this free guide. Reach out to me, email me, text me. In the comments section, I will have a link to the free guide. And as always, please subscribe to my channel if you like this information. Once again, this is Steve Gardner with eXp Realty. If you have any other questions about home ownership, home buying, or need referrals to a handyman, plumber, or any other type of help for your home, just reach out and I'll help you. All right? Hope all is well. Take care.